Welcome back, everybody, to another video. It's me and Billtheend here. Say hi.
Hello, everybody.
Okay, today we're doing a survival world. And I'm gonna have to make that duplicate machine.
Do we have to, or we don't have to?
I feel like we do.
But
It's
yeah, this
going to
is
take a long
episode
time
one.
getting the supplies for it, so it's going to take a long time.
Yeah, but this is episode 1, everybody. Remember that?
Yep, this is episode 1 of the survival world. Until we kill the Ender Dragon, it'll be the end. Today we're just getting wood.
And try and make a starter house.
Yeah. Yep, and I'm gonna get a lot of supplies of wood.
Oh yeah, I
Oh,
have 47.
I was just mining dirt.
I made a crafting table over here. There's a crafting table over here, though. Actually, let me pick it up.
Wait, a crafting table?
Yeah, I already made a crafting table.
Oh. How many supplies do we need?
I don't know. How much do we need?
I got 64 wood and 8 wood.
I have 47 wood. I have 1 raw pork chop and tools for us to survive the night, and I have a sapling.
And I have a seed.
Nice.
I don't know what to do.
Is this where we're going to live? Is this where we're going to live, or are we going somewhere else to live?
We're probably gonna live in the middle of the map.
Well, I have my map out. Let's go this way then.
Look at the mountain. The mountain's so weird. Wait, it's floating.
You want to live in the mountain?
Wait, it's floating.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Wait.
Oh yeah.
I don't think we're gonna live
fun.
here, but it looks nice.
Yeah. Because
Wait, I think I
floating,
found.
think
Yep,
it's
I found a village. I found a village.
We found a village.
Yeah, it's right over there.
Attack.
Did you get the crafting table?
Yes, I did.
Oh, I thought we left the crafting
Oh,
table.
pumpkins.
Wow, we're finding a lot of stuff right off the start.
This is actually pretty awesome.
Yeah, you get the food. I'm probably gonna check the entire village to see if I can find anything I could use for tools.
Oh, we have a mine here. We could actually use their mine.
Wow, this is a
And they have
giant mine hole. We got so much hay.
They have so much carrots and potatoes.
I'm gonna grab all this hay. The horses doesn't need the hay. None of them need the hay. You don't need them. They're mine. They're all mine now. Get out of here, horse. This is all mine. You don't deserve it. How the... Oh,
yes.
this is how I get out of here.
Here. Farmer, what do you have? Ooh, yes. I see.
I got
Yes,
14 pieces of blocks of hay. I like it. You can go ahead and grab...
like potatoes?
You can grab all of the food here. We're gonna actually go somewhere. We're not living by a village.
Oh, a cat. Are we gonna use their mine? To actually find
We're not even on the map.
I know. But can we use their minds just to, you know?
Yeah, we can use their mind.
Oh my lord.
What?
You won't believe me, but this chest had 3 diamonds in there. Over here.
You know, I found 4 emeralds. Oh, you found 3 diamonds already?
Yeah, they were just in the blacksmith over there. Dude,
Oh,
there's a
God.
blacksmith. I just found it in here.
Well, you can just save it until we make the duplicating machine. Then we can have all the diamonds in the world.
That's a great idea. That's a good idea.
Right now, I'm just gonna have to slay. Can you just come over here and kill these cows?
You don't have a sword?
No.
Here, I placed on my crafting table how you can make some tools.
I'm gonna have to go mining.
Around here because they actually have a mine.
Yeah, I'm going to go to the mine. Let's find a ammo and then kill them. Oh, they got some more food over here. And also take I found a barrel.
You gotta be serious. I don't like potatoes in this game. They only give you. Oh, that's not a lot.
Yeah, I know.
But I'm still taking them because.
But they're
potatoes are better.
food. They're food.
Maybe cooked potatoes are better.
Yeah, probably. Got some apples. Yep, we need these carrots. I want the carrots. Carrots.
Well, let's get them.
I can make them
I don't
into.
care.
We can get golden carrots.
Dude, I'm in trouble.
What?
I hit a villager.
Oh crap! Hey, the villagers.
He's coming for me.
Oh, I'll take all the carrots. I'll take all of this.
He's coming.
Whack. I'll whack him with. Don't run. Just run. Just run. I got him. I got him. He can't. He's no match for me. He's no. Okay, this episode's already going horrible. God, why won't he die?
He's made out of iron. There's a reason why they call them iron golems for a reason.
Hey, I got iron.
Really? Who would have noticed?
I need a crafting table. Oh, never mind. I got my own.
Oh. Good night. What are you doing outside of that window?
Oh. Wait, why is it turning dark?
Because I'm going to bed.
I need to find a bed. Sir, I'm borrowing your bed. Get out of the bed. This is my house now.
Are you serious?
I kicked him out of his own house. Yep, I kicked him out of his house. Oh my god, there's so much food in here. Why is there so much food in here? Why are you stealing all the stuff in my...
Okay, here's the things I was. Here's your poison.
I'm just joking. We're sharing the loot.
Yeah, we're technically going to live in the same house, right?
Yep.
Or we could get our own.
Oh hey,
houses.
hey dude, I found the perfect house.
We're not living here, right? We're not living here, like we said.
I don't even know anymore. Oh, make sure you get those golden nigga here. Wait, not.
What?
I almost said it.
Yeah, it's totally called one of those. Scourge.
I know, Bill, that I most accidentally said something I wouldn't want to say.
Okay, I'm going mining. You wanna go mining?
I'm getting chests. Oh, God. And yes, I'm coming mining.
Let me just make myself a better stuff, you know what I mean?
I'm taking everything they own. Actually, I'll just actually keep this stuff here so they can make more stuff and then we can just come back here and raid it.
Yeah.
How are we supposed to
Wait,
get
you already have
down
an iron
here?
pickaxe?
Yes.
Wow. Dude, I can make a diamond sword. Here, I made you a shield. Made you a shield right there.
Wait, shit.
No, not right there.
Oh.
Here, take it.
Okay, I'm gonna just. After this, we need to get
No, I'm
back.
gonna make...
We need to get back to the map. Cause I don't
We
know.
will. We just need to get some better stuff.
After this, we're heading this way back to the mountain area, and then we're gonna explore that.
That's totally fine with me.
And
That
if
is
we
totally
find,
fine with me.
if we get lucky enough, we might find another village. I need to put my map. I need to put my map away. Grab my shield. I'm gonna be going down.
Okay, I'm putting the diamonds in here because I do not want to lose my diamonds in here. Oh my god. I almost fell down.
Yep. I seriously don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing something.
Whee!
Ow.
Just get down here. Ooh, iron. Ooh, more iron.
Okay, I'm making sure that we can get back up from this way.
Dude, of course we could get back up. We could just get more blocks how we could get up.
Do you have torches?
I do not.
Oh god, it's so dark down here.
Dude, I could see completely fine.
Yeah, I could see, but I don't know if the viewers can see. No, the viewers can't see. This is not fun. The viewers need to be able to see. Okay, I think we got light over there. Yep.
Yeah, let me get some coal how you can make some good contact.
Yeah, we need torches because the viewers can't actually see. Yep. Okay. I'm gonna build.
Oh, that's a baby villager. That's a baby zombie. That's a baby zombie.
Hold up, guys. I'll show you the way. There. Hope you guys can all see now. Okay, the viewers can see now.
Okay, that means I'm getting a lot of coal for you because I can see complete. I think my light volume.
I can see completely fine, but the people who are going to be watching the video is not going to have a happy time. They're like, what's going on in there? I found gold. I literally just found gold.
No, I found that. No, I found that first. But I was telling you to get it because I don't have a iron pickaxe, unlike you. Here's more torches for you because I don't need them.
I don't need them either, but I need them for the video.
For the camera.
Yes.
That's what I was trying to say.
I know. I'm gonna keep the gravel because we're gonna probably need gravel. And
we might need gravel, yeah. Oh my god, please.
I hope you
Stop making this bug.
I hope.
Stop.
Yeah, this is a bug.
Yeah, I hate this bug. This is the worst bug I've seen. No, when I make my own survival world, this is what I see all the time.
Yeah, when we're trying to make an underwater base, yes, this is what happens.
And it's just sitting there. You're like.
Yeah, it's just one piece of water.
Oh, that's lava. That's lava. That's lava.
one
That
piece.
guy, right? I don't. Why is there so much dangerous things in here? Diorite is the Satan. Satan's block. Okay.
I put the lava. I'm burned. I'm burned. I'm burned.
It looks funny when you were running around. You're like, I'm burning. Burning.
Yeah, someone needs to make a.
Why am I burning?
Yeah,
I think I found
someone
a
needs to make a. Someone needs to make me a. Oh no no no! Spire 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 spire! Please please please! Where did you go?
I'm gonna die. I'm definitely gonna die.
Where did? Wait! Oh God!
I'm over here. Look up. Look up.
I need food. Oh God! I see you. How did the spire not see you?
What spider?
I killed
wait,
it.
There's a skeleton. Oh wait, I think it burned. Nope, it's sitting right there. I'm going.
Okay.
Lapis.
Okay, here we go. For the viewers to see.
Attack! Haha.
I was very close to dying there. I was only like 3 hearts. But now, I feel fine now. I need like more torches for the viewers to see. Yeah, that'll be enough torches. I'm getting a lot of coal. God, wait, oh, why is there a big patch of lava over here?
It's just part of Minecraft's nature.
God, this is a big part of lava, and where are we?
I'm right here.
I don't even know where
I don't
we're
think
going.
this cave. Dude, this cave just keeps going down and down.
Yeah, soon we're
Let's
never
go for
gonna
it.
find our way out of here.
Dude, something tells me there's probably diamonds in this cave.
Yeah, me too.
Oh wait, I left my crafting table up there. Dang it. Oh good. Then
Oh God,
have
there's a
so much wood I can
skeleton.
just make-
Skeleton. Eh. Okay.
Okay,
Wait.
I'm just packing my things up.
Oh, okay. Got him. Got him. Kill him in the corner. Kill him in the corner. There we go. That's how we do it. Oh, I found iron.
Dude, I found so much iron. Oh, more iron.
Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Help.
I'm coming. And that's why I.
There is still iron. Oh my God.
It was a trap.
I think God was trying to kill us there.
Dude, when I picked. Dude, there was an ore right here. There was an iron ore right here. And guess what I did? I mined it, and that's what happened. It just collapsed. You're like.
Yeah, that's kind of funny. Yep.
What do you mean, kind of? It's hilarious.
I was like wondering who made it fell. I'm like, God, try to kill us. Oh God, there's a nice skeleton.
Yep.
Blocking him up. Blocking. Block him in the corner. Block him in the corner. Block him in the corner. There you go. Killed him.
You good?
Yep. I'm good. You know, food would sound very good right now.
I do have food.
Just don't use
Well,
the.
we could just.
Actually, I have. Never mind. I got.
Oh, that's
carrots.
death. That's death right there. That's living death right there.
What do you mean, death's there? Where?
Right here. Look. Behind
I
you.
don't see death. Oh,
Right
I
there.
see death now. You're using the wrong block.
Yeah, I know. Dude, I have 19 gravel. I want to get rid of it.
I use
Wait, I'll
gravel
get
so
rid of
we can grab like
What
splint.
I almost killed you, dude. I almost killed you.
Oh my god.
It's dark, isn't it?
No, not anymore. There shall be
There we go.
light in here
You gotta
now.
be serious.
Why is there so much water? Oh my god, I can't even get back. I can't even get up. Now I'm stuck. Oh god, somebody needs to make a video. Like, oh my god, you come back.
I just wanted to go and then it happened again.
Watch out, God trying to kill us.
God trying to kill us. Come on, God, I'm trying to help you. You're not good.
Oh my god, it's this one piece of water again.
I know, come here. Come where I am.
Okay.
You got
it's,
There we go.
okay, that was the funniest.
No, follow me. Look at this. This is stupid.
What's stupid?
Put some torches. Look.
Oh, I see.
That is a water source. How is that a water?
I don't even know. Don't even.
Gods of Minecraft, why did you?
Oh god!
That's a skeleton.
Oh god! There's a skeleton armor.
Did it?
Okay, there's
Ow.
wait. There must be a skeleton spawn nearby. Yeah, there's a skeleton
So
spawner.
right,
I can tell there's a skeleton spawner.
dude, there gotta be a skeleton spawner. You're right.
Why is there
this
so
thing's
many?
so good.
There is no way there's just a bunch of skeletons spawning here. Dude, I see more. I see more skeletons. I see them down there.
Oh, there's two right here.
Yeah, there's a skeleton. Oh god, I got hit by your sword.
Nope, there is.
How is there
There is
so
one.
many skeletons down here?
Guess what? God.
Yep, God. It's definitely God. God plays Minecraft.
No, Gods of Minecraft is trying to kill us.
Yep. He's trying to kill us, guys. You don't see it, but he's trying his hardest.
He's trying so hard, but he's failing.
Yeah,
he's so close, but so.
he's failing so bad. My god, this is taking so forever. And I found iron. Oh god.
Are you okay?
Yep. God tried to kill me there.
What is God not trying to do today?
I don't know. You're trying to ruin everybody's day. Oh my god. Oh, I'm lucky I didn't take any damage. Haha. God, you suck. You can't do anything. And then he's probably gonna shoot lightning.
Dude, Scourge, it's
What?
Scourge.
What?
It's not God who's trying to kill us. It's gods of Minecraft. Are you serious? There's a spider.
I think
Gods of
it's
Minecraft, what are you trying to
Mojang. Is it Mojang? Is Mojang trying to kill us?
Mojang. Or is it no? Notch made Minecraft. Notch made Minecraft. So is Notch trying to kill us?
I have no idea. I don't know
like,
who's trying to kill us
dude,
now.
That is creepy.
What? Okay.
That was creepy. I just looked up. There's just a spider over my head.
Is Brian in this game?
If he is, this is not a survival series. No more kids. This is a monster hunt.
Yeah, this is a monster hunt. We're hunting down Brian, and I can't believe you missed his iron.
I don't need iron. I have like too many to count. I found more iron anyways.
More iron's better. We can make more stuff, like more weapons, more everything.
Mm-hmm.
Are you even keeping a track where we're going?
Oh, I always know where I am in the cave. Like we're.
I haven't. Let you know I haven't been keeping track of this entire cave system, so we might.
Oh, I was. Dude, for me, is it like, wait, you don't know how to get out of this cave? You're such a loser. You know what I mean? That's me, because I already found the way out. Oh, there's a spider right there.
Never
just
mind.
go
I think I already
Go
found.
right there, and then.
Yep, it's right up there.
Dude, I'm the one that found it.
Never mind.
Yeah, I know.
Never mind. I remember.
I know we're not lost. Oh,
I remember.
this cave is huge.
Oh, well, I found more iron.
Same. Going down.
When can we not find iron ever in this world? And
Yeah,
why is it taking so long for this stupid update?
Oh my god. Dude,
Oh my god, there's a zombie.
Dude, on me. There's someone on me. There's a witch on me.
Wait, a witch? Hold up, I'm
caves.
coming,
Is,
I'm coming, I'm coming.
Actually, when I think about it, dude, when you think about it, this witch in the cave, that's creepy.
Yeah, that kind of is.
Because
what happened you found what happened you found a ghost in the game, like in the cave? Will you just quit Minecraft after that?
I'm out of this.
I would put my headset down and I would be like, nope.
No, if they added ghosts in Minecraft, I'd say okay. But if there's just a ghost in Minecraft that didn't say, hey, we're adding ghosts, I was like, well, I'm done playing Minecraft for my entire life. But yeah, you want to see the switch? Let's kill this witch. Let's burn this witch. In my times, if we see a witch, we burn it.
Yeah, there used to be witches in our time, but apparently they.
The witch, they're on me. Lads, no, come here.
Where?
Okay, imagine this is like, there is a witch right there. And if we get too close, it's gonna throw a potion. Grab it, sees us. Poisoned. Oh, dude.
Wait, I think I found gold. Oh god, I found gold.
I found something better than gold.
Oh god, a spider! Why is there spiders everywhere?
Dude, I found something better than gold.
Did you find diamonds?
A monster spawner. No, I found monster spawner.
Where?
How much do I have for these?
Ow.
Right here.
Where?
On me. You just hacked it.
Oh. Oh, I see.
Let me see what kind
Oh
of
god!
Oh my god!
I wonder why there's so many skeletons. Oh my god, there's an iron skeleton. Watch out, there's an iron skeleton with iron. Oh god.
I'm the one who was hitting you.
I'm getting.
There's a fight going on.
Somehow I'm getting hit without my. Make sure you don't hit me. Okay, there's a lot of chanted.
There we go.
Yep,
You can
this.
hear everything.
Let's just heal up. Let's just heal up.
Yeah, I'm at 3 hearts.
I don't have any armor. I only have a shield.
I do have,
you know.
That is not the crafting table.
I have some cool oh wait, I have crafting table. Okay. Wait, you smelted iron?
Yeah. I had 49 iron. For goodness sake.
Don't worry, I'll put some more coal in there. Oh god.
Oh my
Oh god.
So bad. God.
Don't worry, I'll cover the mouse fire. There we go. What did we find?
Redstone.
That's good, that's
Name
good.
tag.
I like that.
Bones.
Come on. There you go. I got it. Finally got it. Oh, music disc.
Okay, let me get rid of some.
Wait, it's my favorite music disc.
What is it?
It's the yellow one because the tower one.
What is it called? What is it called?
Music disc C418. What? My other 8, 9. Wait, 13. It's so hard to predict.
On me, lads. On me. There is a creeper in his own habitat. If we get to... Wait, you just took my iron?
No.
You son of the... You took my iron. I seen the XP. I should have killed him at that time. For stealing my iron.
Dude, I'm putting my iron in there too.
Dude, I have 49 iron in that
I had
you're saying that
42.
you took my iron?
I had 42. I
had 49.
I seriously had
Stop
40.
killing my iron.
I put my own iron in there.
Okay, grab your own iron and put it in this furnace I made just for you.
I can't because I just mixed my iron with yours.
There, I put 31 in there. And now all you have to do is just...
Why you have...
Okay.
You even got my coal.
There you go. There you go. Happy, yeah.
Well, gonna put my more coal in there. I don't know what's the problem sharing iron. Is there a problem sharing iron?
Oh my god, why me? Not again.
Did you got the bush you?
I died.
What? How did you die?
My god, Minecraft. Now it's trying to kill us. No, I was just mining
How
some
did
more, doing da-da-da.
suffocate in a
And then all of
wall?
a sudden I got
How,
like, you know what?
how did you suffocate in the wall?
Dude, don't grab my stuff. Don't grab my stuff.
How did you get in here so quickly?
Dude, it's a normal thing I do. Just getting in caves faster.
How am I didn't even put myself in king.
Wait, you put yourself in king?
I don't know how I was in king.
It's just because it's a normal thing. Oh.
I think it automatically puts you in king.
No, because you probably put some cheats on, and when you're trying to do
wait,
some stuff,
what?
I'm not sure, but...
How?
Are you looking at my chest? Oh, I like...
How?
How what?
I'm not even going to question. Not even going to question it. My feet hurt. Oh.
Hey,
I wish there was a better camera spot. I can't believe the viewers took my seat. I forgot I could sit on this bed. I'm gonna sit on this bed.
God, Minecraft gods, you must have to kill us.
Ow.
Not else.
Sorry, everybody. I'm just gonna, like, stretch out my legs.
Oh well.
Are you having fun over there?
Yeah, I'm killed a creeper.
Oh,
Not really.
cool.
Creeper blew up.
I was just getting full armor.
Guess what? I have full armor too. Oh yeah. Who's cool? Who's cool now? Both of us. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. You can't hit me. Ha! Back off. My weakness, my back.
I smack your back with my pickaxe.
No, please. That hurts. That's just the junk chest. Actually, I have some junk on me anyway, so let me just do that. I can keep the flint.
I got the flint.
Cobwebs. I think that's it.
Why do I have
Let's get out of this cave
flowers?
and find ourselves a house.
I have flowers.
I don't know.
I have flowers for my wife.
What wife? So yeah.
If she ever wants to play this game. It's going to have to click. Clicking.
So Scourge,
What?
are we gonna find ourselves a house?
Buy us what?
Find ourselves a place how we can make ourselves a house.
Yeah, we might as use the village. Just gonna,
For now,
yeah.
until we get ourselves a new house.
Yeah.
That's not a bad idea.
Why can we not share iron? Like. Anyway, let's just keep going deeper into the caves.
Oh, I already checked down here. It's a dead end.
I need more torches. There we go, got much
Dude,
torches.
it's a dead end down there. It's a dead end.
A dead end?
Yeah.
Well, that is... suck.
Oh wait, there's a creeper down here.
Oh.
Look, but it's his own habitat. It's his attacking us.
Wow, you killed it before it even could explode.
Oh, it sucks to be him, right?
Yeah. You gotta get some of those good hits on him.
Another creeper in his own habitat is coming towards us and going to kill us.
Wow, you're pretty good at hitting.
Dude, why do you think I play? Why do you think I play in the Hive and Treasure Wars? Because I'm just the best at it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, because you're using a computer.
Yeah, computers are really easy to do.
Yeah, you could just spam click the mouse. Ow!
Oh, sorry.
Come on. You stabbed it right up my butt.
I'm sorry.
It happened. I remember when our friends blew up our house.
You know what? Let's live in this house. There's more than one house in this house, so.
Yeah, I think this is the best house.
For now.
Is it me or this is the biggest house I ever seen?
Yeah, it's interesting though, right?
They sure did a good job on our houses.
Yeah.
It's kind of too bad that villagers can't put stuff in the chest. What? You followed?
But yeah, I would like. Yeah, I fell. Where are you?
I killed the cow.
You killed the cow. Wow. But yeah, I'm ready to get ourselves our own house.
Our own houses.
Oh my god, this gives. Oh my god, no way!
Until we get
No
our
way!
force. What?
See this tree? Back then, you know what trees looked like? Just a square. And this is what it is. Without this right here, this is what it used to look like.
That's what they did to make the tree.
Yeah, that's what they used to look like.
I don't think we're in the new update. I think we're in the update where Herobrine is still in it. Well, I'm gonna take this chest.
I'm taking your grindstone, sir.
Dude, that's how they can make more stuff. Whatever. I throw dirt in here.
Oh yeah, you're right. Get yourself a job. Right there. Yeah, that's what I thought. Ooh.
I don't need the spider eyes.
How much coal do you have? How much coal do you have? How much coal do you have?
How much gold do I have? I got coal.
This guy's selling. Wait. He has enchantment for 2 emeralds.
Oh, I have emeralds.
Oh.
Let me see. Wow, cool. Oh. I can get iron axe. I don't know why I need an iron axe. I don't think I want an iron axe.
I went back in the mines how I could get some coal.
Okay. I'm just gonna kill some pigs. Because who likes pigs? Not me.
I don't like eating pigs. I only eat fruit. Like, you know, like, I don't want to eat animals in this game no more. Because I seen this really sad video about pigs and stuff. My god, it was terrible. Or like, you know what? That just turned me into a vegetarian. The ones that only eats not pigs or cows or whatever. So, yeah.
Uh-huh. And you're a dragon.
Yeah. Wait. Who I care? And how train your dragon? Dragons eat everything. Give me your fish, sir.
I'm kind of served.
Throwing some junk away?
Yep. Any junk I can get rid of. I'm probably gonna keep the cobblestone because, you know, gonna need blocks.
Actually, I'm actually wondering what this guy's stuff is, so I'm just gonna...
I don't know where you are.
I'm right here.
Oh. Why do you have that many bones?
Don't ask.
Do you need them?
We need it for giving it to dogs.
Yeah, that's good. Very good. Sorry, sir. Store your thing. You can have the seeds. I don't want them.
Okay, I need to get a bed.
I give my seeds to him. Why did you throw 6 bread down?
This villager needs to take this bed that's in here, or he's never going to sleep. You know, I'll worry about it later.
Okay, just keep him alive.
It's a enchanted sword. I'm wondering what it is. If it's bad, then I could use a grindstone, how I could get XP from it. So yeah, that's not a bad idea.
Your voice is...
But yeah, guys, this is my bell now.
you sound a little weird, but okay.
But yeah, this is my bell now. If you
Your
like me or not.
bell. Time to bill.
Wait, how did you get up there?
Oh, what?
Scourge, on me. There's a villager.
Oh. What? He's just chilling. You know, I'm just gonna...
Did he just drop XP?
What?
How did he drop XP?
I'd buy something
But yeah,
from
let's
him.
leave. Oh, that's why.
I'm taking all the carrots and all the potatoes. All the beautiful potatoes. And I'm taking this.
Wait, yeah, you can't do that. But yeah, let's get out of here.
I don't want the dirt. Oh yeah, we need to get back on the map.
Yep, that's what I'm gonna do right now.
And it's that way. Don't worry, I'm right behind you. Wow, we got iron on the first episode, and we're gonna have to end it right here.
And guess what? We also have diamonds off in the first episode too.
Yeah, 3 diamonds.
Oh yeah, guess what I have?
What?
Come over here.
What?
We're almost in the map. We're in the map. Yes.
Okay, wait a minute. How did you get...
Dude, wait, the mob spawner. The mob spawner had...
Oh, I see. I see how you got it. Hey, I don't think we want this. Anyway, it is time for us... Anyway, you want to start another video after this?
Yeah. If you subscribe, please push the bell. Push the bell until it makes
yeah,
noise.
click the notification bell. It's right there. And make sure you guys hit that subscribe button as well, because it helps me support my channel, making us...
And it helps making them videos.
And guys, if you guys make us go very high where we get a lot of subscribers, then we can all, me and Billtheend can fight all the hardcore YouTubers. And
yeah.
I'm
It's just me and you who has a YouTube channel.
Yeah.
In our Ender group, it's just me and you has the YouTube channel.
It's just we're just gonna make a group, and then we're gonna fight against, like, there's gonna be like a lot of Minecraft. Everybody knows it. People, you know, mumbo jumbo.
Wait, what? Are you trying? Wait.
Yes.
Are you trying to say that you're gonna try to get mumbo jumbo in our group?
We're gonna try.
Mumbo.
No, everybody's gonna be at, you know, like Treasure Wars. We're going to be. We're going. Yeah, we're all going.
Good.
You know, he did battles before.
No, he didn't. That was Grian.
No, they did a big battle where they made these big bases, and whoever took the flag and all that stuff. It looks weird from this way around. God. This is the gas sign, and this is You guys all know this sign. Anyway, we'll see you all guys another time. Just ignore the sign. Bye, guys.